All right, so got your shirts here.
Sweet.
All right. And then, of course, I've got the camera there, so say hi to the camera.
What's up, camera?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the great Pitmaster chef himself, Chef Jeff Fritz. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up. I hear the applause.
I hear it too. What's up, guys?
All right, so Jeff, always making you shirts. Thank you very much for always support me. I support you, and you support me, and I appreciate you. My venture is not as big as yours or awesome as yours getting started. But last year you did the Mack Truck Annual Employee Barbecue event. How did that go?
It was great. Yeah, we did. Well, it was actually their 125th anniversary. So Volvo Mack Truck. So we did a live fire event. So we had a couple live fire tables. We smoked 3 whole hogs. But the best part is we used some of your shirts. So we had team shirts made up.
Be honest.
Pretty awesome.
Be honest. How was it? How was the shirts?
So the shirts were really nice, but we were in like 98-degree heat, and it was like super humid. So, and if you ever wore cotton type shirts, they start to sweat. They start to kind of open up at the neck a little bit. We got some, little black flakes on stuff on the neck and stuff. So this year we wanted to go with a different style shirt or type of shirt because A, it's probably gonna be hot again this year when we do it for this year. And B, we wanted to get something a little bit more breathable. Not that the cotton was bad, but once you start sweating, you guys that wear cotton, you know what it is. You know how it goes.
How are those shirts today? Now they're 100% organic cotton, and I keyed you in on Stanley Stella.
Yep.
So what do you think about that brand, that shirt?
So the shirt is good. Like day to day, just wearing it around the house and wearing it out and stuff like that. It looks like a nice shirt. It's clean. It feels soft. It's nice and comfortable. But like I said, for what we're doing, live fire and cooking barbecue and stuff like that, need something a little bit lighter. So
the right tool for the right job.
Right tool for the right job. Yeah. So we wanted to go with a different style shirt. Now, granted, these ones aren't 100% cotton. They actually have like a polyester blend, right?
100% polyester.
So the difference with that is, if you get a fleck of, charcoal powder or anything like that, or charcoal dust that's hot, it's going to potentially melt the shirt, which is okay for us. It's not ideal, but we're all going to be wearing aprons and things like that. But we are literally shooting for comfort and for breathability for us. Because like I said, last year it was extremely hot, and we're expecting the same thing this year. So.
All right. So let's give you the reveal. All right, so this is your logo and a little bit of my design on the back for you. Yeah. So here's your logo.
Yep, I love it.
All right, and then my design, which you used again from last year.
From last year, yep. And don't forget our little American flag here, right?
America.
So both of us are veterans.
That's right.
We got
soon to be retired myself.
Yep, retired on 5 years almost now. So yeah, we got to show our support. And but yeah, we went with the gray too. So last year we did a black shirt, but we figured the gray, trying to keep us a little bit cooler. It might show more stuff because it's gray, but again, we should have a full bib apron on. Most of us wear leather on top of that as an apron, so it should be protected pretty well. But we're hoping that the breathability is there for this year. So
all right, so 100% drip tees and stickers, 100% polyester is what I mean, not 100% DTS. And then of course we got him some custom button-up shirts here, which I'm gonna tag with his logo here soon. But again, how do you liking the growth of drip tees and stickers?
I love it, man. So pretty much anytime I need something, I got your phone number, and helps that you're only down the street from me too.
Little customer service there.
Yeah, right. So I'm like, hey John, I need X, Y, and Z. What can you do for me? And he usually goes above and beyond. So, but I'm excited. But the shirts, yeah, third order. I think on shirts overall.
Dude, I lost count. I think it's like fourth or something like that.
Yeah, but also multiple, sticker orders, things like that. So we're growing, and we're hoping he grows with us. So, but
awesome.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well, we'll package it out, which is pretty much put it in a black bag and you walk out of here.
Sweet.
All right, man. All right, thanks a lot.
Yeah, man.
Pick him up. Take him out.
I'm gonna take him out, bro. I'm gonna take him.